It's not just the experience of working, like for me, working in a studio, but it's also the people you meet, the networking, the skills you can learn. It's invaluable.
And I think a lot of people, they're not really sure what they're good at, so it's a really great idea if you're going to do an internship to say, here are my strengths. I'm great at this, 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 and that. And then when you work with somebody, to be able to come with that, because then you can go, well, that's excellent. I can use you for this and this, and then I can teach you what I know about that. And that way you're both getting something out of the relationship. You're able to mentor somebody in a strength that you have that maybe they're weak on, and then they're able to help you still stay productive as an artist.
The thing I find the most valuable is when I hear her talking. She does some mentorship on the phone, and when I hear her talking to other artists, when we discuss art, it's enlightening to discuss art with another artist.
So she was able to come in and say, here's where my strengths are. I'm really great at organizing. So initially she was able to just jump right in and help organize, and then we were able to get to the making. So what I really liked is she wasn't afraid of the mess, and she was able to just begin.
Right now she has me preparing some of her live flowers for casting, which I find very exciting because it shows that she trusts me, because ultimately it could affect her work. If I screw it up, then it puts her behind the 8 ball.
And her skill as a baker really helped because she is able to make small things repetitively with hot things and not damage them. So that skill set that she had has translated very well into a wax hot studio environment. And if somebody's not able to do some of those small, simpler things, you really don't want them to go and start messing with torches and 2200 degrees and pouring things.
Being around someone else who actually is an artist as a living, it's very informative as far as what she provides as a mentor. Anybody who has the opportunity to be involved in where they think they want to go should take that opportunity. An internship is an incredible thing, and it's a win-win as far as I'm concerned.